What's up guys, what's going on YouTube? This is Victor here. So I want to show you how I designed this particular Jotter in COREL. So this is just the mock-up I did here. So I'll be showing you how to do this with COREL. Okay, so if you are a new viewer here and then you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do that right now. So let's get right into the video. So this is COREL. So what you are going to do the first time if you launch your COREL is to click on Ctrl N so that we can have our page. So once we get our page, we are going to use 7 by 6 inches. That is, the width is 6 and then the height is 7. Okay, then you click on OK. So once this have been created, so I go over to where my resource for my design is. So I try to bring them in. So I'll select them one after the other from this folder. So I bring them to my workspace. Okay, yeah, my background. So I'll bring the corpus image to my workspace again. Here is it. So the PSD file which I'm using for this design will be linked down below, so you can get to download it and then you use it. So what you are going to do next is go over to your toolbar, then you double click on this rectangle and then you have something like this. Okay, so this our background. We are going to power clip this into our workspace. So right click down and then drag on the top of this your page and then you leave and then you click on power clip. So hold on Alt while you select what's inside the power clip and then you hold on shift to transform this, then you have something like this. Then the next thing you are going to do is to go over and then power clip this particular one also. So you do the same, right click down and then drag on top of this and then you leave and then power clip, hold Alt and then select what's inside the power clip and then increase this. So you'll be having something like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my power clip and then edit this. So hold on Ctrl and then you double click on the workspace and then it will bring you into the power clip. So after that, I'm going to power clip this image into our background. So go and then power clip and then hold Alt while you select what's inside the power clip and then you hold Ctrl page down to take it to the back. Okay, and try to increase this a little. So we have something like this. Okay, so we have something like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll be using stuff like that. So I'll go back to my resource folder, then bring up this. Then I'll try to take this around here and then I'll power clip this also. So I'll try to reduce it. So I will have something around here like this. Okay, let me try to take this up a little. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in some of the details on this. It's very simple to do. So pick up the text tool and then so the typeface I'm going to use for this is called Christmas Time Personal. So this is the typeface I'm going to use. And then I bring it around here. So go over to your shape tool, pick up your shape tool and then you drag this drag this up, so reduce the font size to fit into this place. So don't forget to click the subscribe button if you are just viewing this for the first time. So once we have that, the next I'm going to do is I'll pick up my text tool, and I have this way. And now it here, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to type in congratulations. So I'll be using the same typeface. I think 39 is okay, so I'll bring it here. So hold shift and select the background, and then click on C and E to center. Click on C only to center align it. So that is all. And then the final thing will be I'll do a rectangle here this way, and then fill that with white color. Click on the outline. So I type in the date. Okay, so the typeface I'll be using for that is Montserrat. So I'll bring this here, so I'll reduce it to fit into what I have here. So hold shift to select the rectangle again, hold C and E on your keyboard, and then into center line, something like this. So let me try to reduce this or take this up. So I'll move something like this, and then the Messi and Johnson will be taken up, and then the hand like this will go this way. Okay, so the final thing I'm going to do is let me just power clip this. Power clip, drag and leave power clip, and then I'll just drop it around there. Then you take off your outline, select everything, Ctrl G to group, and then you can export your design. So after you export your design, you come over to the PSD file, which I'll be linking down below for you to use, and then you can download and then use this for your design. Okay, I hope this helps a little. If you are a new viewer on my channel, don't forget to leave a like on this video, and then subscribe guys, and also share this video, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.